Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency, and in this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 Google ad hacks for you to use in 2023. Now, if you're using Google Ads right now and maybe your Google Ads could be working a little bit better, you're not completely satisfied with them, this video is for you. And if you've been thinking about running Google Ads for a long time, but maybe you're not sure exactly how it works, you're not sure on how to do it properly, this video is going to give you a lot of clarity on things that you need to consider in 2023 if you're planning on making your phone ring with Google Ads and grow your business. So let's dive right into things here. I've got 5 things I'm going to share with you, so keep watching. Number 1 is we're going to talk about the first hack, so to speak, is what I call extensions. Well, I guess Google calls them extensions too. So these are called extensions. And basically what extensions are is a way to basically add more real estate to your Google ad on Google. So let's say, for example, like someone is searching and you've got your little Google ad that shows up, right? We've got a whole bunch of listings here. So like these 2 guys are your competitors, but this one is you. Well, basically what extensions allow you to do is they allow you to make your listing bigger. So instead of just like it being that little sliver, now it's this whole big piece of real estate. And the reason for that is because you can add things like call extensions. You could add things like site link extensions and so on and so on. You can add like promotion extensions. You can add like location extension and on and on and on. And basically what these extensions do is they make your listing on Google bigger. And what that does is if someone is searching through Google and they type in best hardwood floor refinisher, and then your Google ad shows up, you can actually push all of your competitors down by making your listing bigger, right? So if it was just that big, you add a bunch of extensions, you can make it much bigger. And basically what that's going to do is push people down so that you're taking up more real estate in the search results. And ultimately what that does is it makes it a lot more likely that people are going to click your ad and visit your page than anybody else, right? And this is how you're going to get a lot more results for the same money that you're spending on Google Ads. So extensions is a very, very easy way to get better results with your Google Ads that not many people do or know about. You can do image extensions. You can add all sorts of extensions to your ad. And just by doing that, you're going to get much, much better results. All right, let's talk about the next one. Number 2. So number 2 is called keyword analysis. So a keyword analysis tool. And basically what this is are websites like SEMrush, SE Ranking, SpyFu. These are all websites that you can literally go to right now and type in some keywords that you think would be good. And it will literally give you a list of all of the suggested keywords for Google Ads, give you what the cost is, how many people are searching for that. And what this is going to do is it's going to make it much easier for you to find winning keywords, profitable keywords, keywords that people are already searching for. And basically it's going to remove the whole like just guessing from your gut feeling type thing. Now you're operating from data, you're doing your research, and you're going to know exactly what keywords people are searching for already that are profitable that you can put your ad in front of, right? Because a lot of contractors, if they're doing Google Ads themselves, they'll literally just put keywords into Google that they think are what people are searching, but it's not actually what people are searching, right? You don't know. And so you need to use a keyword analysis tool like SEMrush so that you can operate from a place of like knowledge, right? And you're using data. And so this is going to help you also come up with a better budget, because you're not going to be able to come up with the right type of budget if you don't know what the keywords that you're bidding on actually cost, right? So for example, with Google Ads, you can't just say like, yeah, I want to spend $500 a month on Google Ads or whatever, $1,000, $1,500, And you can't just come up with like a budget based off of what you think. It needs to actually make sense with the keywords that you're using. So if all the keywords that you have are really expensive and then you only have like a $500 a month budget, it's literally not going to show your ad. Like, I don't think a lot of people know that. Like, it's not like Facebook ads where you can do a $500 budget and it will just spend it and then get you leads. With Google ads, if your competitors are outbidding your ad and you have a small budget, like $300 to $500, then your ads aren't going to get impressions. And this is why people are like, why isn't my Google ads working? It's because you haven't done the keyword analysis using a tool like SEMrush to actually understand what is it going to take for a budget for us to compete in this. So that is hack number 2. All right, hack number 3. Hack number 3 is using something called a negative keyword list. Basically, what a negative keyword list is a list of keywords, be it cheap, DIY, affordable, Home Depot, Kijiji, all these keywords that are typically disqualifying keywords for your business that you don't want to show your ad for if someone is searching for. So let's say, for example, someone types in cheap basement renovator near me. We don't want to show your ad to that person because they're deliberately looking for someone who's just going to do a cheap job. And if you've ever worked with us or you know the stuff that I preach, I'm all about how can we slowly start raising your fees and become a higher end contractor who charges a little bit more money and position you as being like, you know, the high quality contractor who's a little bit more expensive but does good work. And that's impossible to do if the traffic that you're getting is people who are searching for like cheap contractor, blah, blah, blah. This is how you're going to start getting leads that aren't high quality for you, right? And we want to remove those people. And so the way to do that is to put the word cheap into the negative word list or affordable, some of these kind of words, so that your ad won't even show when people are searching for that. And this is how we're able to preserve your budget, get more leads, get higher quality leads, and just overall get better results for the marketing investment that you're making. So don't sleep on this. The negative keyword list is very powerful, and it can mean the difference between a Google ad that's just getting a bunch of phone calls, but they're all unqualified, or you're getting calls that are all super qualified and exactly what you need. All right, so let's move on to number 4 here. So number 4 is called phrase match, right? So let's break this down. I'm going to try and explain this real simple. Phrase match keywords. Now, if you're not using phrase match keywords, this is going to be a big deal for you. So in Google Ads, there are 3 ways that you can put in keywords, right? So you could do what's called broad match, which broad would be like this, where a broad match would be if you did something like flooring. And you just put in the keyword and like it's just blank flooring. Phrase match would be something like this. So then let's say you did like a phrase where you said like hardwood flooring. So you would put quotes around it and then you put like hardwood flooring. So now basically what we're doing is we're telling Google we only want to show our ad when someone types in exact like hardwood flooring as a phrase. So if they type in like hardwood flooring near me, this would still show because that is a phrase. Whereas broad match, it's just anything that triggers that word of flooring, right? And so this is a big deal because if someone types in something like if your company, let's say, is called exampleflooring.com, and then you have a competitor and their name is like Baxter Flooring, then if someone types in Baxter Flooring, then your ad will show up. And that's how you get a phone call where someone is saying something like, hey, is this Baxter Flooring? And you're like, no, we're Example Flooring. And that's why sometimes you could get unqualified calls through Google Ads, is because you're not using what's called phrase match, where you could literally give the exact keyword of the exact keyword that you want to trigger, right? And so phrase match is very important. It's a good way to be able to get more results for your Google Ads and more quality leads. Okay, so the last hack that I have for you for number 5 is called click fraud software. So basically what click fraud software does is it removes any fraudulent clicks on your ads. Now, if you don't know, basically Google will charge you every single time your ad is clicked. So when someone clicks your ad on Google, you're charged $3 to $5, sometimes to $20 per click. It depends on what niche you're in. Now, sometimes what will happen is competitors will purposely click on your ads on Google so that you deplete your budget and basically they're wasting your money, right? So if someone is clicking on your ad all day, every day, that is going to start costing you a lot of money and it's not equating to any kind of results for you, right? And so as a response, now there are click fraud softwares where basically these tools allow you to analyze who is clicking on my ad within a certain amount of time. And if anything violates that amount of clicks within that time, it will actually ban their IP address. And so basically what this does is they will no longer see your ad anymore and they're unable to click on it. So ultimately, the result of this is that you're going to spend a lot less money on Google Ads and get a lot more leads and a lot more results and much better value for your dollar, right? And so this is something that's extremely important if you're going into 2023, you're trying to grow your business with Google Ads. Click fraud software is going to be extremely, extremely valuable for you. And all of our clients get click fraud software when we do our campaigns so that they're protected from that as well. And so I would recommend it highly for you too. So those are the 5 things that I would recommend on 2023, the 5 hacks, so to speak, for your Google Ads so you can get more results and grow your business with them effectively. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, maybe comment below. If you're enjoying these videos, let me know. If you have a request, you want me to do something, you can also comment below too. So I hope you guys have a good day and I'll see you again real soon.